Have you ever felt frustrated in the kitchen, spending too much time chopping, mixing, cleaning, or struggling with tools that just don't work well? Small kitchen problems can turn cooking into a stressful experience. But what if the right gadgets could save your time, reduce effort, and make cooking faster, easier, and even more fun? In today's video, we're counting down 10 kitchen gadgets that will blow your mind. Smart tools designed to solve everyday kitchen problems and upgrade the way you cook forever. Make sure to watch until the end, because gadget number 1 might become your new kitchen favorite. Product links in the description box. Number 10. Rotary Vegetable Slicer. The Rotary Vegetable Slicer is a smart kitchen tool designed to make food preparation faster, safer, and easier. If you often spend too much time slicing vegetables by hand, this gadget can completely change your cooking experience. Its rotary blade system allows you to cut, shred, and slice vegetables with minimal effort. From carrots and cucumbers to cheese and potatoes, it handles multiple ingredients smoothly. The strong suction base keeps the slicer stable during use, adding extra safety. Its detachable design also makes cleaning simple. Perfect for busy kitchens, meal prep, and healthy cooking, this slicer saves time while delivering consistent cutting results every time. Number 9. Wireless Bluetooth Meat Thermometer. Cooking meat perfectly can be challenging, especially when you're unsure about internal temperature. The wireless Bluetooth meat thermometer solves this problem with smart temperature monitoring. This device connects to your smartphone, allowing you to track cooking progress in real time without opening the oven or grill repeatedly. Whether you're cooking steak, chicken, fish, or barbecue, it helps you achieve accurate doneness every time. The wireless design offers convenience and flexibility, especially during outdoor cooking. With precise readings and app connectivity, this thermometer reduces guesswork and improves cooking confidence. It's a perfect gadget for home cooks who want professional cooking results. Number 8. Biolomix Electric Detachable Milk Frother. If you love coffee, cappuccino, or homemade lattes, the Biolomix Electric Detachable Milk Frother can upgrade your daily routine. This handy kitchen gadget creates rich, creamy foam in seconds, making your drinks look and taste like cafe-quality beverages. Its powerful motor ensures smooth mixing, while the detachable design makes cleaning quick and easy. Beyond milk frothing, it can also mix protein shakes, hot chocolate, and light sauces. The ergonomic handle offers comfortable control during use. Compact, stylish, and efficient, this frother is perfect for coffee lovers who want convenience and professional quality foam without expensive coffee equipment. Number 7. Vacuum Sealer Machine. Food waste can be frustrating, especially when ingredients lose freshness too quickly. The vacuum sealer machine helps solve this problem by sealing food tightly and removing excess air. This keeps ingredients fresh for longer and protects them from moisture, freezer burn, and contamination. Perfect for meat, vegetables, fruits, snacks, and meal prep, it helps organize your kitchen while reducing waste. Its easy one-touch operation makes sealing fast and convenient. Whether you're storing leftovers or preparing meals ahead of time, this machine offers practical, everyday benefits. It's an excellent kitchen gadget for anyone who values freshness, organization, and long-term food storage. Number 6. Professional Kitchen Scissors. A good pair of kitchen scissors can make cooking much easier, and these professional kitchen scissors are designed for multiple tasks. From cutting herbs, vegetables, and meat to opening food packaging, they offer excellent versatility. The sharp stainless steel blades provide smooth and precise cutting performance. The comfortable ergonomic handle reduces hand strain during extended use. Many designs also include extra functions like bottle opening or nut cracking. Built for durability and everyday kitchen use, these scissors save time compared to using separate tools. Practical, reliable, and easy to clean, they are a must-have addition to any modern kitchen. Number 5. Pet Food Measuring Spoon Scale. Keeping your pet healthy starts with proper portion control, and the Pet Food Measuring Spoon Scale makes feeding easier and more accurate. This smart tool combines a measuring spoon with a digital scale, helping you serve the correct amount of food every time. Whether you're measuring dry food, wet food, treats, or supplements, it provides precise weight readings. The easy-to-read display improves convenience, while the lightweight design makes daily use comfortable. This helps prevent overfeeding or underfeeding your pets. Ideal for pet owners who care about nutrition and consistency, this gadget brings accuracy and peace of mind. Number 4. Compact Automatic Electric Can Opener. Opening cans manually can sometimes be difficult, uncomfortable, or even unsafe. The compact automatic electric can open or removes that hassle with a smooth, hands-free design. With just one button, it automatically opens cans cleanly and efficiently. Its compact body makes it easy to store without taking up kitchen space. The safety cutting mechanism helps reduce sharp edges, making it safer than traditional openers. Ideal for elderly users, busy cooks, or anyone looking for convenience, this gadget saves effort and time. Stylish, portable, and simple to use, it's a practical tool for everyday kitchen tasks. Number 3. 3-liter dual spray humidifier silent digital display. Dry indoor air can cause discomfort, especially during long working hours or sleep. The 3-liter dual spray humidifier helps improve air quality by adding moisture to your room. Its dual spray system distributes mist efficiently for better comfort and hydration. The digital display adds a modern touch while allowing easy control of settings. The large water capacity supports longer operation without frequent refilling. Quiet performance makes it ideal for bedrooms, offices, or study spaces. It can help reduce dryness in skin, throat, and breathing discomfort. Stylish and functional, it's a useful device for a healthier indoor environment. Number 2. Automatic electric wok pot. The automatic electric wok pot brings convenience and versatility to modern cooking. Whether you want to stir-fry, boil, steam, or cook quick meals, this appliance handles multiple cooking styles with ease. Its electric heating system provides fast and even temperature distribution, helping food cook consistently. The spacious design makes it suitable for family meals, while adjustable heat settings offer better cooking control. Perfect for dorm rooms, small apartments, or busy kitchens, it saves both time and effort. Easy to clean and simple to operate, this electric wok is a practical solution for quick and delicious homemade meals. Number 1. Stainless steel kitchen garlic press. Preparing garlic by hand can be messy, time-consuming, and frustrating. The stainless steel kitchen garlic press solves that problem with powerful crushing performance. Built from durable stainless steel, it easily crushes garlic cloves with minimal effort. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing pressure on your hands. The fine pressing holes help create evenly minced garlic for cooking, marinades, sauces, and seasoning. Unlike manual chopping, this tool saves time while keeping your kitchen cleaner. Its solid construction ensures long-lasting performance, and cleaning is quick after use. A simple yet highly effective gadget for everyday cooking. And that wraps up our list of 10 kitchen gadgets that will blow your mind. Which gadget impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your favorite. If you found this video helpful and discovered something you'd love to add to your kitchen, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.